Winter offers a wonderful opportunity to brighten your garden with colorful, resilient blooms that flourish in cooler weather. Whether you prefer lively annuals or dependable perennials, winter flowers bring beauty and energy when many plants become dormant. Here's a simple guide to help you pick the perfect flower plants for winter. Pansy, Viola tricolor, is one of the most charming and reliable winter flowering plants, known for its cheerful, smiling blooms and wide range of vibrant colors. These hardy annuals thrive in cool temperatures, making them perfect for pots, borders, and garden beds during the winter season. Pansies bloom continuously with proper sunlight and regular deadheading, adding brightness even on gloomy days. Their compact growth habit and ability to withstand light frost make them easy to maintain for beginners and experienced gardeners alike. Whether planted alone or mixed with other winter flowers, pansies create a stunning display of color through. Petunia, Petunia hybrida, is a popular winter season flowering plant known for its abundant, trumpet-shaped blooms and wide spectrum of vibrant colors. These versatile annuals grow well in pots, hanging baskets, and garden beds, making them a favorite choice for adding lively color to winter landscapes. Petunias thrive in cool, sunny conditions and reward regular care with continuous flowering throughout the season. Their cascading or bushy growth habits allow for creative garden designs, whether used as ground cover or as decorative accents. With moderate watering, good drainage, and occasional deadheading, petunias remain healthy and radiant, brightening any garden all winter long. Dianthus, Dianthus chinensis, is a delightful winter flowering plant admired for its frilled petals, spicy clove-like fragrance, and rich mix of pinks, reds, and whites. These compact, hardy annuals thrive in cool weather, producing continuous blooms that brighten pots, borders, and edging strips. Dianthus grows best in well-drained soil with plenty of sunlight, rewarding even minimal care with vibrant, long-lasting flowers. Their neatly shaped mounds and colorful patterns make them excellent companions for other winter blooms. With occasional deadheading and light watering, Dianthus remains fresh and floriferous throughout the season, adding elegance and charm to any winter garden setting. Snapdragon, Antirrhinum majus, is a classic winter flowering plant loved for its tall spikes packed with brightly colored, dragon-shaped blooms. Thriving in cool temperatures, snapdragons add height, texture, and drama to winter gardens, whether planted in borders, pots, or mixed flower beds. Their wide color range, from soft pastels to vivid reds and yellows, makes them versatile for any garden style. These hardy annuals bloom continuously with regular deadheading and prefer sunny spots with well-drained soil. Snapdragon plants attract pollinators and stay upright even in chilly weather, bringing life and vibrancy to the garden throughout the winter season. Cineraria, Pericallis hybrida, is a gorgeous winter plant celebrated for its striking, jewel-toned blossoms that resemble oversized daisies. Its vivid purples, blues, pinks, and whites stand out beautifully against the plant's soft, silvery green foliage. Cineraria flourishes in cool weather and thrives especially well in partial shade, making it perfect for balconies, verandas, and bright indoor spots. When kept evenly moist and shielded from direct afternoon sun, it produces a breathtaking mass of blooms that last for an extended period. With its lush, colorful appearance, Cineraria brings a refreshing burst of brightness to winter gardens and home displays. Primrose, Primula vulgaris, brightens winter gardens with its delicate clusters of vibrant blossoms that rise above neat rosettes of soft green leaves. Loved for its gentle charm, this cool-loving plant thrives in moist, partially shaded spots where many other flowers struggle. Colors range from soft pastels to bold, eye-catching tones, making it easy to match any garden style. Whether placed in pots, edging pathways, or tucked into shaded corners, primroses create a soothing, cheerful display throughout the winter. With consistent moisture and protection from harsh sunlight, they continue blooming reliably, adding warmth and color to the cold season. Geranium, Pelargonium zonale. It adds bold color and elegant structure to winter plantings, especially in regions with mild, frost-free seasons. Its vibrant clusters of red, pink, white, or salmon flowers rise above sturdy, rounded leaves marked with distinctive patterns. Geraniums thrive in bright light and well-drained soil, making them excellent choices for pots, balconies, and sunny borders. Their blooms appear steadily with regular deadheading, and the plants tolerate cool temperatures while staying compact and tidy. With moderate watering and good airflow, geraniums remain healthy and floriferous, bringing long-lasting beauty and a touch of classic charm to winter garden displays. Chrysanthemum, Chrysanthemum indicum, is a standout winter bloomer known for its dense, colorful flowers that light up the garden when temperatures drop. Its blooms range from soft pastels to rich, warm tones, making it a versatile choice for any winter display. The plant forms neat, bushy mounds of foliage topped with abundant flowers that last for weeks. Thriving in cool weather, chrysanthemums prefer sunny spots and well-drained soil, rewarding regular watering and occasional pinching with fuller growth. Whether planted in pots or garden beds, they bring a festive, vibrant touch to the winter season and remain a reliable favorite among gardeners. Alyssum, Lobularia maritima, is a delightful winter flower known for its tiny, honey-scented blooms that form soft, cloud-like clusters. These low-growing plants spread gently, creating a carpet of white, pink, or purple flowers that brighten borders, pathways, and pots. Alyssum thrives in cool weather and produces continuous blooms with minimal care, making it a favorite for winter gardening. It prefers full sun to partial shade and well-drained soil, staying compact and tidy even in chilly conditions. With its sweet fragrance, easy growth, and delicate appearance, Alyssum adds a refreshing, graceful touch to the winter landscape. Marigold, Tagetes erecta, is a vibrant winter favorite known for its bold, ball-shaped blooms in rich shades of yellow and orange. These hardy annuals thrive in cool, sunny conditions and are especially valued for their long-lasting flowers and strong garden presence. Marigolds grow into sturdy, bushy plants that add brightness to beds, borders, and pots throughout the season. They prefer well-drained soil and moderate watering, making them easy to maintain even for beginners. With their cheerful colors and ability to withstand changing winter temperatures, marigolds bring warmth, energy, and a festive touch to any winter garden. Nasturtium, Tropaeolum majus, is a cheerful winter performer known for its bright, trumpet-shaped flowers and attractive round leaves. Blooming in shades of orange, red, and yellow, it brings a warm, lively look to gardens during the cooler months. This easy-growing plant thrives in mild winter weather, needing only moderate sunlight and well-drained soil. Nasturtiums do well in pots, hanging baskets, and along borders, where their trailing or bushy habit adds a soft, flowing touch. With minimal care and occasional watering, they continue to flower generously, making them a charming and low-maintenance choice for winter gardens. Calendula, Calendula officinalis, is a classic winter-blooming plant admired for its bright, cheerful daisy-like flowers in shades of yellow and orange. Its vibrant petals stand out beautifully against the cool season's softer tones, bringing warmth to gardens and pots. Calendula thrives in mild winter climates, preferring sunny locations and well-drained soil. The plant produces steady blooms with minimal care, needing only regular watering and occasional deadheading. Its soft, slightly sticky leaves form a compact mound that stays attractive throughout the season. With its long-lasting flowers and easy growth, Calendula adds a lively, uplifting touch to winter landscapes. Phlox drummondi is a charming winter annual known for its clusters of star-shaped flowers that appear in vibrant shades of pink, red, white, purple, and coral. Its compact, bushy growth makes it perfect for borders, pots, and mixed flower beds during the cool season. Phlox thrives in full sun to partial shade and prefers well-drained soil, rewarding even light care with continuous blooming. The plant's sweet fragrance and rich color range create a soft, cheerful look throughout winter. With regular watering and occasional deadheading, Phlox stays healthy and floriferous, adding delicate beauty and brightness to any winter garden. Aster amellus is a lovely cool season perennial that brings soft, daisy-like blooms to the winter garden. Its delicate petals, usually in shades of purple, lavender, pink, or white, surround a golden center, creating a gentle yet eye-catching display. Asters thrive in mild winter temperatures, especially in sunny spots with well-drained soil. Their compact, tidy growth makes them ideal for borders, pots, and cottage-style plantings. Blooming steadily through the cool months, they attract butterflies and add a refreshing touch when many plants are resting. With simple care and regular watering, asters offer reliable color and elegance throughout the winter season. Verbena hybrida is a vibrant winter-flowering plant prized for its clusters of small, brightly colored blooms that appear in shades of pink, purple, red, and white. Its spreading, slightly trailing habit makes it perfect for pots, borders, and hanging baskets. Verbena thrives in cool, sunny conditions and prefers well-drained soil, rewarding minimal care with long-lasting color. The plant blooms generously throughout the season, adding a lively, cheerful touch to any winter setting. With moderate watering and occasional deadheading, verbena stays healthy and full of flowers, making it a reliable choice for brightening up winter gardens.